Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Album, and I made a sheet load of cards. I took what I had left of the Brutus Monroe Christmas 6x6 pad, and I made some Christmas cards. The sentiment came from, I think it was an Echo Park stamp set that I had in my stash. Yes, I'm not sure if it's Echo Park. It was Boho Christmas. I don't remember where I got it from, but I've had it in my stash for a little bit. And so I stamped Merry Christmas and embossed it. And then I stamped just part of the stamp and then left some room so I could glue on some dimensional jewels just to make the berries. Those were dimensional. This one was just some big glitter. So the design is a sheet load of cards. If you check out Call Me Crafty Al's YouTube channel, look for the December 2024 sheet load of cards, and that's the design that I used. And the sentiment was from a stamp set I had. It was Boho Christmas. I'm not sure who made it, and I think it was a freebie from scrapbook.com, but I don't remember for sure where I got it. I stamped the sentiment, worked perfect with a circle, and then I added some of the leaves that were on the stamp and then left this part blank and added some dimensional gems. I just glued them down with my art glitter glue and they're perfect. But the Santa was from an Etsy shop called BumFuzzleBoutique, and she does some fabulous cut-aparts. They're fussy cuts is what she calls them. And this was Christmas Gnome's fussy cut. So I'll show you what it looks like. Just printed it out on my printer, put it in my Cricut, and it cut it out. Isn't it fabulous? So I did add one for the inside, but I'm going to print some more that are a little bit smaller and put them on the inside. That sort of takes away a lot of room to write. So, since you can print whatever size, you can shrink them down. So I'll show you them. Look at this guy. He's got a cup of hot chocolate, probably. He is adorable. And so is he. He's got a little snowman there. This one's sitting on top of a present. This one's got a large candy cane. Look at his hat. That's fabulous. Love all the details on here. This one's sitting on top of a snowbank next to a Christmas tree. This one has a lantern, like he's saying, welcome. This is another one with a giant candy cane. And then this one has a Christmas gift. So there were, I can't remember how many in this one collection. I've only used a third of them, maybe even less than a third, maybe a quarter of them, but they're all pretty adorable. I love the idea that you can print out some fussy cuts and add them to whatever paper collection you have, because sometimes by the time you get to the bottom of the paper collection, you don't have any ephemera to go with whatever you're making. So anyhow, that is what I made using the sheet load of cards and some fussy cuts from BumFuzzleBoutique. Go ahead and check out that Etsy shop. I will list it in the description box, and have a fabulous day.